Hello everyone, I'm Jigisha Pate and I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Field from Silver Rock University in the year 2019. After that, I have done internship in Android app development, but after the completion of internship, I found that Android app development is a little bit tricky for me and coding is not easy for me. So I switched to the software testing field, and in Ahmedabad I have served so many institutes, and after that one of my friend recommended me that STAD Solution is best for manual and automation testing training, and so I joined STAD Solution in September 2021, and after the completion of my online software testing course, I was placed in a well-known company in Ahmedabad, that is Lodestone Software Private Limited, and that is now Tech Mahindra Lodestone. And thank you.